And I think be a little careful with whether it's truly a DSO functionality. I think the terminology is out there, but it's not truly, it's not in functionality. I think that's a big thing because right now, as people are growing and expanding and bringing on more locations, what I like about Tab is I can see each of my locations or each of my providers as a completely separate entity, but then I can also see it all rolled together.
What advice would you give to practices, especially large practices that are really complex, kind of going through the software journey? What things do you think that, they might want to look out for? Some things that, maybe you thought were important, but in the process realized weren't as important, or things that you didn't think were as important and realized you really needed them, If you could share some advice, I think everyone's always looking for that, right?
Well, I think if you're a practice that's looking to grow, there are a lot of softwares out there that have what they'd like to sell as a DSO functionality. And I think be a little careful with whether it's truly a DSO functionality. The platform, for instance, that we were going on, they had sold us on that, hey, we're going to have this button where you can see it all rolled up, but in reality, it was a very limited view. Whereas with Tab, you're putting it all into, it's all yours. So it's all going in kind of one place. You're just differentiating it by your location and provider and so on. So it's a very easy way to delineate between the different categories that you want to run reports on or whatever. So I think that's a big thing.
Yeah, definitely.